please show people where do you feel the hip pain exactly? Where is it? Do you mind to stand up and show
Podemos hablar a la gente
people?
dónde tiene el dolor
Lower in
exactamente.
the leg, nearby
Ah.
Galbert 31,
Okay, so it's pretty low.
Yeah,
Actually,
and-
it's here.
and here.
Oh, and also here. And you feel the two right now.
Yeah.
Y ahora está
Always.
sintiendo, siempre siente el dolor en esos dos puntos.
Okay. And can you please tell me right now how much from 0 to 10 is the intensity? 8 on both places.
Y me puede decir ahora mismo de 0 a 10 cómo se sitúa el dolor, ahora está en 8.
And you have this pain for how long?
15 years.
15 years.
Due to a skiing accident.
Ski accident.
¿Y por cuánto tiempo tiene ese dolor? Ya hace 15 años debido a un accidente de esquí.
Okay, I'm going to palpate here and you let me know if you feel any pain where I push or any sensitivity where I push.
Ahora voy a apoyar unos puntos y
Yes.
me dice si son sensibles.
Yeah.
Okay, here,
Yeah. Más.
más. Not really. Less.
Less, but something. Something.
Here.
Yeah, more.
Yes. Okay, so I'm putting 3 needles on the Tenjiao channel.
Entonces estoy poniendo puse 3 agujas en el triple calefactor. ¿Sí dice así?
Okay, and is it tender here?
No.
Okay, tender here?
No.
Here?
No.
Okay, here?
No.
This one? Not really.
No,
Okay,
not really.
now I would like you, please just stand up and tell me where do you feel the pain?
Dime dónde siente el dolor.
Don't try to look too hard, to find the pain. It's gone.
It's gone?
Yeah.
It's all gone? Everywhere?
A little bit up front, it moved a little bit, but it's okay.
Oh, a little bit where? Just
Here.
right there.
Yeah.
Okay, we take care of it.
El dolor ya no está, pero ahora se tiene un dolor ahí delante.
So, let me check. Is it tender
Yeah.
here? Oh, good one. Thank you.
Is it painful? Yeah, a good one.
Always happy when we find a good tender point.
Siempre soy feliz cuando encuentro un punto sensible.
Here?
Yeah.
A little bit too.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Well, you're smiling, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, would you mind to stand up and you tell me?
Yeah, I'm going home.
Estoy bien y voy a casa.
Like
Very good.
I say so.
Okay, give me 5 then. Thank you.